4. I had 9 take away 4. Thank you. 3 ninths. And then I can simplify that to 1/3. I'll accept 3 ninths or 1/3 for that one. Okay? Sorry. Thank you, Noah. Okay, so for this one, cross multiply method. First thing you're going to do is you're going to multiply the two denominators to get the common denominator. So 12 times 4. That's your first multiplication, and you write that as your denominator for the new fractions created. That's the first multiplication. The second multiplication goes this way. We start at bottom right, go top left. 4 times 5 equals 20, and it goes here. The next multiplication goes that way. 12 times 1, 12. And now, without having to even think about common denominators, I have two fractions with a common denominator. I add them together. Now, 32 over 48. Now, more than likely, using this method, you will have to simplify at the end. So I have to think of a number that divides into both 32 and 48. Anyone think of the highest common factor? 4. Yeah, does 8 go in? I think 8 might go in. 16? Well, we'll see. We'll try 8. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 48 divided by 8 is 6. And we can go again, yes. Divide by 2 again. And we get 2 over 3. Now, I will accept, for today, I'll accept if you use the common denominator 12. So an equivalent fraction to that would be 8 over 12. But do always try and simplify your fractions as much as you can. I'm going to use the cross multiply method here again. But first, to do the cross multiply method, I need improper fractions. So like we did yesterday, 2 times 1 added to the top, I get 3 over 2. 2 times 3 is 6 added to the top, I get 8 over 3. Then I'm going to use my cross multiply method. First multiplication goes this way. 2 times 3 gives 6. That's my new denominator. So plus. Then go this way. 3 times 3 is 9. Then this way. 2 times 8 is 16. Now I add them together. 9 plus 16 is 25 divided by 6. I'll accept that if you didn't change it to a mixed. You should change it to a mixed. 6 fits into 25. 4 whole times. Remainder 1. And that's over 6. 4 and 1/6. Okay, I'm going to do the cross multiply method again. Cross multiply method again. I multiply the two denominators. 6 times 8 is 48. Again, it's subtraction. Do this multiplication first. 5 times 8 gives 40. 6 times 3 gives 18. So do those 3 multiplications before I even start, and then I think, right, subtraction. That's 22, I think. 40 take away 18. The denominator stays the same, and then I check for any simplification. I think the both can definitely divide it by 2. They're both even numbers. 11 over 24 is them both divided by 2. 22 divided by 2. 48 divided by 2. And that's it. No, 11 is a prime number, as you know. Okay, so 11 over 24 is the fully simplified version. Last one, I'm going to once again use improper fractions. So 4 times 3 gives 12. Added to the top, I get 13. 1 times 3 gives 3. Added to the top, I get 5. So that's 5 over 3. And right, common denominator, I'm going to use my cross multiply method again. 4 times 3 gives 12. So that is my new denominator. So I've multiplied the two denominators to get this 12. Then I do this multiplication, 39. This multiplication, 20. Subtract is still the sign. Now I know my answer is going to be over 12. 39 take away 12 is 19. And that's 1 7/12. Okay? 12 fits into